Welcome back to another episode of Poor Man's Garage. Today we're going to be doing a very, very messy oil change. Because in the 2022 Ford F-150 2.7 liters, we have a plastic oil pan. Not just a plastic oil pan, but this drain plug right here. Yeah, I don't know, I didn't design it, they did. And then for some stupid reason, they decided to put this dang sway bar right here, right behind it. Now, why would they do that? I don't know. I guess to make our lives easier. Right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, probably harder, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to take this drain plug out right here. And it just clips in and clips out, right? Okay. But there's a way to fix this, which I'm going to buy on the next oil change. It's a UPR drain plug. And what you can do, you can plug it in here, and then you can leave it in there, and it twists on and off. So you can put on, and then you can put a hose to it. You can put a hose right here, and then you can comfortably put it inside your drain pan. That sounds a lot easier, but it's like $50, $60. This is my daily driver. So this thing always got to have good oil and always got to run good, because I just want to get in it and start the damn thing. Not like my other junkies. My other junkies, I'm not, well, I put a lot of money into those, so can't really say much. But yes, so whenever I get paid again, I'm going to get that drain plug for the next oil change. Put it in here. Okay, let's get doing it. Okay, I'm trying to put the camera to where the oil is not going to get on my phone. Oil's about to go everywhere. It's about to go down. This is the crappiest. Oh, look. Now my lid came off from my oil pan. Button. So, I haven't been posting in a while because I've been having issues with my house. So, I've been having to work on my house, doing plumbing, and did it all myself too. Had to redo a P-trap underneath my house because the one that was on there was more restricted than my shop door flew off because it was windy. That's fun. Let's see what else is there. Oh yeah, I had to fix my water heater in the attic. One thing after another. Like, you think you're going to get close on your project card, but, you know, your house is more important and your property is more important than your cars, because you kind of got to live in it. I know they say that you can race a car, but you can't race a house. Well, there's more room in a house. And I like to eat. I don't know if you see my big belly, but I like to eat. So I need my kitchen and my fridge. This thing's gonna be neat. Alright. Let's make a mess. Let's make a mess. Take my watch off. What you do? You're going to turn it. Turn. Trying to do it where y'all can see it. Lower this. Gonna turn it towards the driver's side. Now we're gonna pull it. Probably could use a pair of pliers, but the pliers are all the way in the other shop. And y'all probably like, Brad, how are you poor, man? You have a pit on your property. I bought the property like this. I didn't put it here. It does come in handy. I don't have pliers. I'm about to go get my pliers. Be right back. All right, got my pliers. Let's plug this out. It's in there with some O-rings. Just a little bit in there. And do it without damaging it so I can reuse it. I'm also trying to do it without getting too dirty. See, now on these, your oil filters, they're on top of the engine. They're a cartridge. Last time it just came out. Now it doesn't want to cooperate. That's just my luck, right? I want to stand in front of it because I have a bunch of oil in my face. All right. Here we go. I guess you can make it last mass if you just hold it there for a little bit. Just hold it there. Let it out a little bit. It'd be so much easier without this dang sway bar in the way. Now these trucks say synthetic blend for 5W30, but you can also just put regular 5W30 full synthetic. Now it's not going to hurt the engine, just changing the blend mixture. Now the full synthetic will last a lot longer than the synthetic blend, in my experience. It's a lot cleaner than whenever I did the oil change, whenever it was the blend. Okay. Now you see how to do that. I'm going to pause the video because you know the rest. And then I'll resume it whenever I'm on top doing the filter change. Alright, now that all the oil is drained underneath, now we got to take the oil filter. The oil filter right here. And what we're going to need for that is a 1 1/16 socket. Get it loose enough to where we can get it out by hand. This is your cartridge. All right, now we get this, the housing. Take the cartridge out. Then what we want to do is change out these rings right here, these rubber seals, because the kit comes with new ones. So I suggest getting yourself a pick. And just pick it out because it's going to be a lot easier. Because before I was trying to use a broken flathead that I had, and well, that didn't work too well. I got it done, but it took a while. Let's get our new rubber seals. Put them back on here. Same thing. Get your hook, get your pick. Try not to damage the new one. Get it down on this. Get one down on the last one. Get your last one. Put it on, that one falls into place. And now we have this one right here. Let's try to take this off. For some reason, this one's always a pain. Got it off. Let's get the new one on. I picked up these picks from O'Reilly's. Not too expensive. Pretty good budget. I got the filter, the oil filter, and the picks for like 24 bucks together. Not too bad. We gotta try to put this back on the top. Might have to grab two and do it. Two picks. Just kind of like try and push it down with your finger. Other side. There we go. Got it on. Now we're going to get our new oil filter. You just slide it on in there. Now you're ready to rock. Now just reinsert it, put the oil in, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.